Hi there! Welcome to BabyLoon.
Hush now, listen. What's that sound? Tiny toes and fingers round. A little smile, a sleepy sigh. A brand new baby's drawing nigh. So small and sweet, a precious sight. Bathed in morning's gentle light. With sleepy eyes and tiny nose. A brand new story, bright of grown. Welcome, baby, to our world. Little banner now unfurled. With open arms and heart, so excited to meet you. Softest blanket, cuddle near. Whispered secrets, calm and clear. A gentle coo, a sleepy yawn. From dusk of night to bright of dawn. Welcome, baby, to our world. Little banner now unfurled. With open arms and hearts so true. We're so excited to meet you. Welcome, baby, to our world. Little banner now unfurled. With open arms, so excited to meet you. Each little wiggle, each tiny peep, filling hearts, dates that the angels keep. A brand new